In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the SVG code from Figma. This process is incredibly useful whether you're a designer looking to hand off assets to developers or a developer needing to embed scalable vector graphics directly into your code. We'll walk through each step to extract that clean, readable SVG code effectively. Our first step is to export the desired file to SVG format directly from Figma. To do this, you'll first want to select the specific design element, icon, or frame that you wish to export. Make sure you have the correct layer or group selected in your Figma canvas. Once your element is selected, navigate to the design panel on the right side of your Figma interface. Scroll down until you find the Export section. Click the plus icon to add an export setting. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu for format. It's crucial that you select SVG from this list. SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, is an XML-based vector image format that allows images to be scaled up or down without losing quality, making it perfect for web and print. After selecting SVG, click the Export button. Your SVG file will then be downloaded to your default Downloads folder or whichever location you've specified in your browser settings. Once you have successfully exported the SVG file, our next step is to locate it on your computer and open it using a plain text editor. Go to the folder where your file was downloaded, typically your Downloads folder. Find the SVG file you just exported. It will likely have a .svg extension. Right-click on this file. From the context menu that appears, you'll want to select an option like Open With, and then choose Notepad or any other basic text editor you have installed, such as VS Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. The goal here is to open the file in a program that displays its raw code, rather than rendering it as an image. This will reveal the underlying XML structure of your SVG. With the SVG file now open in your chosen text editor, you'll see a block of code, often starting with and ending with E. This entire block is the SVG code we're looking for. Your third step is simply to copy this code. To ensure you get everything, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the text within the Notepad or text editor window. Once all the code is highlighted, press Ctrl+C to copy it to your clipboard. Take a moment to visually confirm that everything from the opening title tag to the closing title tag has been selected and copied. This entire XML structure represents your graphic in a machine-readable format. Finally, with the SVG code now copied to your clipboard, you can go back to Figma and paste it where needed. This raw SVG code can be used for various purposes. For example, you might want to paste it directly into a text layer within Figma itself for documentation, or if you're using a specific plugin that requires raw SVG input. More commonly, you would paste this code into a code editor for use in web development, allowing you to embed the graphic directly into an HTML file or a CSS style sheet.